This sensational 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door crew cab, short bed truck has lavish dark slate leather seats, and is equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a reliable 5-speed automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include a navigation system, satellite radio and an MP3 player. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4-disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.